Creating your first bundle. From the dashboard, go to Courses and then across to Bundles. Now, to create a bundle, you need to have some courses active to put into the bundle. All we're going to look at in this short document is to create the bundle. So from this page, as we have no bundles already created, we can just simply click Create Bundle. From here, we can name our bundle, our subtitle, and give our bundle a summary. Notice that you can also allow automation and drip of content for this bundle. So what does this mean? Well, this means that if you enabled this option, the automations and drip inside each of the courses that you put inside the bundle will still be enabled. If you do not enable this option by turning the check mark off, automation and drip inside each of the courses or content on this bundle will be ignored. So simply put, if this is on, any automations or drip that you have in any of the courses that are in this bundle will still be active. If you turn this off, they will not be active in each of the courses that you put in there. Bear in mind that you have the option to set up drip and automations inside the bundle for all of the courses as well. To create the first bundle, let's fill in the details and hit Create Bundle. Now we've filled in the details, membership for this course, and get the latest Zenler courses inside this bundle, and the bundle summary. This membership pack has all the latest courses for course creation. All we need to do now is click Create Bundle, and now our bundle is created. For information on each of these tabs once you've created your bundle, please look for the supporting support documents.